So what am I doing? I'm playing an ambient solo, right? And that's super easy, actually. Much easier than trying to play a solo that's really dead on timing with a lot of subdivisions and a lot of funky stuff going on. So if you have any chord, it doesn't have to be a slow track like this or a ballad. You can do it over fast tracks as well. And it's a really good idea to go into, because what I basically do is just turn up the reverb and the delay on my amp or in my effects board, and then I have this sound that just keeps on going. And it repeats itself, right? So I'm playing a note, and then I'm in a big room, and then the pick stroke, it repeats, right? And it becomes this flowing, open thing like a U2 song, right? And it really is a huge help if you're a slight beginner in soloing, or if you're having a hard time to make solos that really stand out. So my advice is that even though you're playing metal, I don't want to do that. I want to play fast, or I'm playing pop songs, I don't want to do that. But try it out in your favorite style of music, even country songs, right? And see what you can do with it. Because it's a totally different instrument when you use that much delay and reverb on your sound, and it becomes like you have much more time to figure out what to play, because every note you play is just like way, right? But a little trick I can give you is to play in triads, right? So if you're having a track like this is basically a blues-based track. It goes like an A power chord, a C power chord, and a D power chord, right? Like Smoke on the Water. And then what I do is I can play an A natural minor over that, right? And then fool around with or test the different notes. I can also, I can use the notes of the A minor pentatonic as kind of safe zone, as safe notes to hit. And then I can use the 9th and the 6th of the natural minor scale, or the Dorian for that matter, right? So Dorian minor or natural minor in A, and it's just like, right? Just like right here. Let's see if I can turn it up just a little bit. Yeah. Also, this becomes very relevant, right? You can experiment with turning up that delay so you really make it, right? So you make it last. But keep it simple. So, just my little, I hope this was inspiring for you. I enjoy this very much. Let's see what happens in the next video here, and I hope to see you in one of them. Don't forget to subscribe. Go download the free course.